Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubo King Kong X and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages at the top and enter system languages. And as you can see here in my preferred language order list, I've got English and Spanish, so let's start with adding new language. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me choose maybe Greek. Let's tap on Greek, choose the region. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on the language, hold it, and now let's drag it to the very first position, as the first position is assigned to the displayed language. So let's simply tap on change to confirm. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Tap on change, and we've got English applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages, so in my case Greek and Spanish, and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove, and we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.